Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: free storage, stable network, and your Google account signed in. Once done, reboot the phone to clear transient issues. Next, open Settings and check app permissions for Play Store. Make sure installation permissions and storage access are allowed. If you downloaded an APK, don't install yet. Compare checksum or source first. These initial steps remove common blockers so the deeper fixes will work. Now you perform the core repair actions. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, and clear cache and data for Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and Download Manager. Once cleared, force stop each app and then open Play Store to let the system reinitialize. Make sure Google Play Services updates automatically. If not, update it manually. Also check Android system updates. Outdated system components often cause app not installed failures. These middle steps reset broken app state and dependency mismatches. Finally, if issues persist, uninstall Play Store updates from the app page to revert to the factory version, then reboot and reattempt install. If you still fail, install via ADB or a verified APK that matches the app signature, because mismatched signatures cause rejection. Make sure to backup data before a factory reset. Use reset only as last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific APK repeatedly fails, check package name conflicts. Remove any older app with the same package first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.